This is a very simple but also very useful little toiletry bag that you can use if you need to go somewhere where the requirements are for a clear bag, or if you are just someone who is looking for something simple to keep your toiletries in, whether you're going to be traveling near or far. So this is the size relative to my hands. Not too big, not too small. I do already have some things in here, and honestly, I could fit more in here. So far, so good. I haven't had any issues. The only small thing is that like sometimes this corner here does kind of get stuck in like that. It's not like a big deal. It's pretty easy to pull it out, but just a heads up that sometimes that does happen. Zipper works really well. No issues with it getting stuck or anything like that. And like I said, it fits a lot of stuff in here. So whatever you're going to be carrying, your like lotion, body wash, and I have 2 of these in here, as well as a hairspray, some baby powder, some face serum, lip gloss, and some lotion. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in here. And like I said, I could have fit a little bit more in here if I wanted to. So yeah, I mean, overall, like I said, very, very simple. This would be really great if you were wanting to get people like matching gifts, maybe your bridesmaids, or maybe you're having like a baby shower or a birthday party, or you're wanting something a little bit more creative that's not a gift bag or something that people will want to have as a keepsake. And then of course, adding the letter really just adds that personalized touch to it. I do wish there were more colors. I'm not a huge pink person, but overall, simple, great toiletry bag.